Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Signal Desktop on Mac step by step. Signal is a secure messaging app that lets you send messages, make voice calls and video calls with end-to-end encryption. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to signal.org/download. I'll also leave the website link in the video description below. Once the website loads, scroll down to the desktop section. Under macOS, click Download for Mac. When prompted, save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download will start automatically. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Signal installer file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the Signal app into the Applications folder. This will copy Signal to your Mac. When it's finished, close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Next, open Applications and double-click Signal to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When Signal launches for the first time, you'll be asked to link it to your phone. Open the Signal app on your phone, go to Settings, then Linked Devices, and tap Link New Device. Use your phone to scan the QR code shown on your Mac screen. Once linked, your messages will sync automatically. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Signal Desktop on your Mac. You're now ready to send secure messages and make calls directly from your Mac. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.